Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best DNS settings for your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if you are having some internet issues, go up to Settings and then select Network. Now, go down to Settings, go to the right, and then go to Set up Internet Connection. Now go to your currently connected internet, press Options on it, and go to Advanced Settings. Now scroll on down to DNS Settings, and then switch it from automatic to manual. And the first DNS I have for you is the Google DNS. For this one, type in 8.8.8.8 for the primary DNS. Then for the secondary DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. And the second DNS I have for you is the Cloudflare DNS. For primary, type in 1.1.1. And then for the secondary, type in 1.0.0.1. Now let's go on to the third one, which is the OpenDNS. For this one, for the primary, type in 208.67.220.220. And then for the secondary DNS, type in 208.67.222.222. Then for the MTU settings, you can try switching this from automatic to manual. And I got this from one of the Call of Duty websites that recommended a 1472 MTU. Now go on over to OK, connect to the internet, and then you can back out of this screen and then do a quick internet test under connection. So let's test my internet. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.